It's like in 3 by 3, but you have to make the cross, but now there's no cross, so we just move on to corners. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube. In this video, I will use the beginner method. So if you want to get faster, you can learn other advanced method. But this is the beginner method. So let's move on to it. First of all, scramble your cube. Then we're going to make the white layer. So we find a random corner piece. The whole 2 by 2 is just made of corners. There is no edges. So we find a random white corner. For instance, this is a white corner, this is a white corner. And these 4 are white corners because they have the color white on it. First of all, we just drew one white corner, and then it's like in 3 by 3, but you have to make the cross, but now there's no cross, so we just move on to corners. So we insert this exactly like 3 by 3 using RU operands. No, it's actually RU operand. You print on this side. So move it so that like this has orange and this also has orange. So you know that this goes here because it's near the orange. RU operand. You print. And then you take this corner out by using RU operand. And then just solve this using 3 sexy moves. And you have solved half of the cube or the first layer. Now we're going to put off the corner into its correct spot. Now, if there's one corner, and you know that it's in the correct spot by look at this. So this is the orange green corner, so it must go on the orange green corner. So this is going to be a soft corner. It doesn't have to be oriented correctly. It just have to be in the correct place. Now if you have one of them correct, which I have here, and if you have 2 of them correct, but like you turn everything, but you can't just make, you can just see 2 of them, not one of them like we want. So if there are always 2 of them solved or 0 solved, you will do this algorithm. Like that. And now if you have 0 or 2 corners correct like here, you will just do that algorithm, but from any angle. So if you have one corner, make sure it is on the left. So I forgot to mention that. So do it once. This is so I will see one of the correct, but now this is correct. So I have no one. So I will do it again. Now I have one of them correct. Hold on left. Now you can see that it doesn't get solved. Do it again. So it should be solved. If you do it 2 or 1 time. So now we're going to move on to the last step. On this step, move the cube upside down, and then just do R U R prime U prime until it's solved. That you can do 2 times and it's solved. Oh, and I forgot to mention one thing. If you look straight ahead and see the white sticker, is on the left, just do R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, and don't just rotate the cube, just move the bottom layer. So if the white sticker is in the front, then we will do the reverse of that. And just do it for the rest of the corners. So front, reverse, which is U, R, U prime, R prime. Do it again, U, R, U prime, R prime. And just... So, just do it again. So this is in the front, reverse. Reverse again. And now it's on the right. And you just turn the rest of your cube and it will be solved. So hope you can solve the Rubik's. So now I will do an example solve on the 2x2 cube. So I will choose this corner. It has blue in it, so I will find a blue piece which is here. Put it nearest to the sticker. Do R U R prime U prime, and then this has red in it, and this also has red. So move it on top of the slot it needs to go. Do it again. And this has green, and this is the last place for it. Do it again. And you have solved the layer. Now on to putting all of the corners in place. So we have one corner, but this also gets solved. So let's try it. This is solved. This is also solved. So if anything I do, 2 of them will be solved. So I will do the algorithm. And now one of them is solved right here. The green, red. This is not so because this is orange, blue, green, blue, green, orange. This is orange, blue, red, blue, blue, red, and this is green, orange. So it's not so. So only this is so, and this is what we want. So put it on the left and do this algorithm. And now all the corners are in the grid. Turn the cube around like that and do this is in the front, reverse. And now this is also reverse. And this is also reverse. And just turn the top. So hope you can solve your 2x2 cube. Bye bye. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.